Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 14 of February. Hit the like button to subscribe on Drum and Discord. Hope you're having a good Valentine's Day if you celebrate, if you care about it. I don't know why this is in Java, maybe the last time I did in Java. And if you watched the Super Bowl, I hope your team won, as long as it is the Rams, I suppose. Spoiler alert for those who might not been watching it. Sorry about that. Today's farm is, I'm still in Medellin, so yeah, hopefully that's a little bit better. Today's problem is maximum depth of binary tree. So this is a very basic problem. Not to say that if you don't get it, that you're deficient in some way. It's just that this is kind of what I would consider fundamental and honestly expected as part of your interview and so forth. So definitely, this is a very base recursion thing. This is a very simple or like relatively simple compared to all the problems that you're going to face. So I hope you get this quickly, and I hope that you get this get used to the idea, right? It is very easy sometimes to kind of just get to a point where you're almost like regurgitating information that you knew, like by memorization, maybe not like maybe not intentionally memorizing it per se, but may still memorize it all the same. So definitely make sure you really understand this or like these kind of problems, and try to get a little bit better about it every time you look at them. That's what I would say about this one, and um, hopefully, but I feel like I usually try to give a speech at the end, because if I give it in the beginning, now I'm gonna mess up, and then you'll be like, well, Larry said all these things, and then he got a typo and it got a wrong answer, right? So that's kind of embarrassing, but that's okay. That's the chance I take by doing a video every day. So anyway, okay. So let's get right to it. Maximum depth of binary tree. So yeah, so or fine, maybe, I don't know, get depth. Okay, fine. You have a node. If node is none, you return 0. Otherwise, you return 1 plus max of get depth of node.left, or get depth of node.right. And that's pretty much it, I think. Sometimes I do get an off by 1, but that's an easy fix, because sometimes they count by sometimes they count the number of nodes, sometimes they count the number of edges and so forth. So I think technically I am off by 1, maybe, because maybe not. I don't know. So let's give it a spin, but it's not going to be that much off. Other than that, actually, okay. So it is actually good, because I guess we count from the root. But sometimes these problems they have like very slight variations that you just have to get acquainted and make sure that you're correct. I guess the only other one I want to check out is an empty one. Is that, I don't know if that's a possible input. Yeah, it is a possible input. So I just want to make sure that's the case. And that looks good. So let's give it a submit. Let's give it a look. Let's give it a go, and there we go. 685 days of streak. So yeah, and if you already done this many times before, feel free to challenge yourself by doing it another way. Maybe do it iteratively, maybe do it with a breadth first search or something like that. Just play around. Just all these things are, you get to practice what you think you're weak at, and not just type out what you're already strong at, right? That's not what deliberate practice means. Deliberate practice means that you should work on the things that you find challenging, right? So anyway, okay, cool. I think that's really all I have. I mean, the only other thing to say is that this is linear time, because you have to look at each node once, and O of h space, where h is the height of the depth of the tree, which is going to be linear space in the worst case, because there is some implicit stack allocation, right? Anyway, that's all I have for this one, I think. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button and subscribe on Drum and Discord. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. And a little bit of a spoiler, I am going to I have a couple of drone videos, so check it out on Instagram, but I'll put it up on the what you're watching now next, or not next day, but one of these days. Anyway, see ya. Bye bye.